Welcome to your ultimate guide to starting and succeeding in the subscription box business. Imagine a world where you curate and deliver joy, excitement, and surprise to doorsteps month after month. That's the magic of the subscription box industry. It's a booming sector that's been growing year on year, giving entrepreneurs an exciting opportunity to tap into. From beauty products to gourmet snacks, from books to tools, there's a subscription box for virtually every interest out there. What's more, it's an industry that thrives on creativity and innovation, so there's always room for new, unique ideas. And the best part? It's a business model that offers recurring revenue, which means you're not just making a sale once, but forging an ongoing relationship with your customers. It's a journey worth embarking on, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. Ready to dive in? Let's get started with Step 1. Step 1 involves brainstorming and market research. Now let's dive into the significance of this step. When it comes to the subscription box business, your idea is the bedrock of your venture. It's crucial to choose an idea that's not just unique, but also viable. Ask yourself, what can you offer that's different from what's already out there? But having a unique idea isn't enough. You need to understand the market too. Research is your ally here. Look into the demand for your idea. Who are your potential customers? What are their preferences? Also, don't forget about your competition. Who are they? What are they doing right? And more importantly, what are they doing wrong? This combination of ideation and market research gives you a solid foundation to build your subscription box business on. It helps you figure out your place in the market. Once you have a winning idea, it's time to move to Step 2. Step 2 is all about sourcing the products for your box. Now this is where the rubber meets the road. You've got your brilliant idea, you've done your market research, and now it's time to fill that box with goodies. First off, you'll need to find suppliers. You can scour the internet, attend trade shows, or network in industry circles. Remember, you're looking for quality, reliability, and good pricing. Now, let's talk about negotiation. It's a skill, and it's going to be your best friend. You're going to want to negotiate for the best possible price without compromising the quality of your products. When selecting products, consider your target audience and the overall theme of your box. Ensure the items are relevant, desirable, and offer good value. Remember, each product is a reflection of your brand, so choose wisely. With your products lined up, you're ready for Step 3. Step 3 is determining your pricing and profit margins. This is where the rubber meets the road, where your business acumen comes into play. You need to find that sweet spot where your pricing is attractive to your customers, yet still profitable for you. Start by calculating the cost of your products, packaging, shipping, and any other expenses. This gives you your cost price. But your selling price? That's a different story. It needs to cover your costs, sure, but it also needs to leave room for profit. A good rule of thumb is to aim for a profit margin of around 25 to 30%. That's not set in stone, however. You might choose to go lower if you're aiming for volume, or higher if you're targeting a luxury market. Remember, pricing is part art, part science. It's about balancing the value you're offering to customers with the profit you need to keep your business running. Next up, Step 4. Step 4 is developing a prototype. It's time to breathe life into the idea that has been brewing in your mind. The prototype is the physical manifestation of your concept. It's a tangible version of your subscription box that you can touch, feel, and evaluate. Creating a prototype isn't just about seeing your idea come to life, it's a crucial step in the process because it allows you to identify potential flaws or areas for improvement. You can test the prototype to ensure it meets your expectations and can withstand real-world usage. More importantly, the prototype is a tool for gathering feedback. Share your prototype with potential customers, friends, family, or mentors. Listen to their comments and suggestions. This feedback can be invaluable in refining your product before you launch it to the public. Remember, the goal is to create a subscription box that your customers will love, and this process begins with a well-crafted prototype. With a prototype in hand, we move on to Step 5. Step 5 is setting up your website. Now, here's where the magic happens. Your website is the digital face of your subscription box business, so it needs to shine. Let's break it down. First off, your website needs to be user-friendly. You want your customers to have a seamless experience from browsing your products to checking out their cart. Make sure your site is easy to navigate with clear menus and a straightforward design. Next, your website must be secure, especially when it comes to payment options. You can't afford to compromise on this. Ensure you're integrating trusted payment gateways that keep your customers' data safe. Remember, a well-designed, secure website can elevate your brand and instill trust in your customers. It's more than just a platform for transactions. It's a reflection of your commitment to quality and service. Your website is your storefront, and now it's time to attract customers. Step 6 is marketing and promotion. It's time to shout about your subscription box from the rooftops. But how do you do that? First, let's talk about social media. It's a great platform to engage with potential customers. You can use it to share behind-the-scenes content, run giveaways, and announce new products. Don't forget about the power of email marketing. It's still one of the most effective ways to reach your audience. Share updates, special offers, and interesting content to keep your subscribers engaged. Partnerships can also play a crucial role in promoting your subscription box. Consider collaborating with influencers or other businesses that align with your brand. They can help you reach a wider audience and build credibility. But remember, it's not just about attracting new customers. Retaining existing ones is just as important. So, make sure to keep your marketing efforts consistent and engaging. Effective marketing is key to attracting and retaining customers. Now let's move on to Step 7. Step 7 is all about shipping and fulfillment. Now, let's dive into the logistics of packing and shipping those boxes. It's not just about stuffing products into a box and sending it off. Oh no, it's much more than that. Each box you send out represents your brand, so it's crucial to ensure that they are packed neatly and securely. Consider the unboxing experience for your customers. The first impression can make or break their perception of your brand. Then comes shipping. This is where reliability becomes paramount. Your customers need to trust that they will receive their boxes on time, every time. It's a good idea to partner with reliable courier services and to offer tracking options. This adds an extra layer of assurance for your customers. But remember, even after you've sent out your boxes, your work isn't done yet. There's still more to learn and more to do to make your subscription box business a success. Step 8 is providing excellent customer service and retaining customers. In the subscription box business, your customers aren't just buying a product, they're buying an experience, and a big part of that experience is how they're treated. So, how do you provide excellent customer service? First, be responsive. If a customer has a question or a problem, answer quickly and professionally. Second, be proactive. Reach out to customers to ask for feedback and make sure they're happy with their boxes. Now let's talk about retention. Keeping customers subscribed month after month is key to your business's success. So how do you do that? By continually providing value. Make sure every box is worth more than what your customers are paying. Also, consider offering loyalty rewards or discounts for long-term subscribers. Remember, it's easier and more cost-effective to keep a current customer than to find a new one. Keeping customers happy is crucial. Now, on to the final step. Step 9 is scaling your business. As your subscription box business gains traction, it's crucial to think about growth. One effective strategy is diversifying your offerings. Introducing new boxes caters to a broader customer base and keeps your current subscribers excited for what's coming next. Another important growth strategy is market expansion. Whether it's targeting a new demographic within your existing market or stepping into new geographic territories, this move can significantly increase your customer base. Finally, consider forming strategic partnerships. Collaborating with other businesses can open doors to new opportunities. It could be a co-branded box, a special edition curated by a popular influencer, or a partnership with a non-profit organization for a cause-related box. These collaborations not only enhance your brand's reputation but also expose your business to new audiences. Remember, scaling should be a gradual, calculated process. With these 9 steps, you're well on your way to starting and succeeding in the subscription box business. That concludes our guide to starting a subscription box business. We've walked you through the essentials: unboxing the industry, ideation and market research, sourcing products, setting the right pricing and profit margins, building a prototype, setting up your website, mastering marketing and promotion, handling shipping and fulfillment, offering stellar customer service and retention strategies, and finally, scaling your business. Remember, success in the subscription box business, like any entrepreneurial endeavor, requires dedication, creativity, and the courage to take a leap. But with the steps we've outlined, you're well equipped to navigate the journey ahead. So, step out of your comfort zone, take a deep breath, and plunge into the exciting world of subscription boxes. You've got the knowledge, now it's time to put it into action. If you found this guide helpful, please like this video, and subscribe to our channel for more entrepreneurial advice. Until next time, keep striving for success.